am recording. Oh my god. So we're just chilling here on the beach.
Yeah, we're waiting for Rachel to put the dollar bills in.
Where does the wind come from? Haha, you're under the wind!
Oh
Look at all the people.
There's people out there watching us.
Oh my god. I see you. I think I know that kid.
Oh
I really think I do.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's Rachel. There's Rachel.
Oh my gosh.
Really?
Ha, your dollars
Really?
suck.
Doesn't want your dollar.
So just, you know, chilling on this beach
The
thing.
lady getting bubble tea is staring.
Is she? I see you. We're recording you. Is it? Oh my god.
Get inside.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
Get
my god.
inside
Okay.
right now.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Ready? I'm ready.
Oh. I was like, what?
You're like, why isn't it working? Oh my gosh! I know how to blow dry my hair now.
Yeah, my hair's wet. Try it.
Oh god. Oh my god. Ah!
This is really
Oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we like this.
My hair. My hair.
Every day.
It's not even working.
Stop it.
Oh my god, we're down. That's so attractive.
Oh my god, look at my hair.
That is so attractive. How do we get out? Oh. Bye bye.
How's that experience?